Hello everyone! Welcome back again. This is Veronica G Vlog. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to another unboxing from Shopee. So, yeah, that's alright. Unboxing ulit. Samahan nyo ako mag-unboxing tayo ng aking in-order sa Shopee. So, I just prepared my scissor. And then I have something that this item is too small, right? So I unexpected because I thought it's a bag, but yeah, it's a box inside. So it's only a fun folding green. So let's see what's inside. Let's go. Let's go to unboxing this one. That's everything in Shopee. So here we go. Oh, I hope it's this better. Wow, it's so Raphael. Oh, it's falling storage and neat. Oh, I thought it's a green. Yeah, I expected it's green. I hope, but I don't know. Chan! So here we go. This is mine in Shopee, guys. So, yeah. Tingnan natin kung this is, kasi meron po siya nakasulat dito na it's a folding storage. It's a neat read font. So, they have a tensile, angle, and folding. So, pwede mo siya ma-fold. Yeah. Dadalhin mo siya kahit saan. Too small. And then here at the side box is meron mo siya nakalagay na folding storage. And then, scalable adjust. And then, they have endurance. And then, low noise. And then, strong winds. So, tingnan natin kung talaga bang, malakas yung hangin niya. Kahit maliit siya, tingnan natin kung malakas. So, ito po yung mga pipilian niya. Yan. So, meron pong, I think this is a silver. Yeah. Or gray, this is black, and this is green. So, the power was have a 5 watts, and then product model is FS, and there's 21 din pack size. So, let's check inside. It's what? Actually, meron din siya na pwede mo pwede ilagay yung, para na siyang phone holder. Yan. So, tingnan natin kung ano talaga yung sa loob nito. So, let's see. Ta-da! Yan. Oh. So. Excuse me. Oh, they have a USB. So, it means this is a rechargeable computer. Because they have, here is USB. Kasama po siya. So, i-try natin mamaya. Ay, char. Let's check. Sana walang damage. Oh. So, this is it. Okay, so let's check if this is correct. Here. Wow. Meron siyang manual. Instruction for use. Here. So, yeah. Meron po nakalagay na instruction for use. It's in English. And then on the other side, I think this is a Japanese or yeah, it's Chinese. Yeah, Mandarin. So yeah, of course, they are business because this is a made in China. So, meron po dito mga instructions. So, USB desktop loop fan. Features niya is a fan, if you run, simple fashion, easy to receive. This number two, three-level combination to adjust when forced to meet the use of various environments. And then you have a sleep breeze, gentle wind does not disturb sleep. Oh. Then secondly is fresh cool wind. Double refreshing, eliminate the salt, chai heat. Then number three is three strong wind, instant cool, strong wind speed. So ito yung mga instruction nyo guys. So tingnan natin yung every part. Kasi meron siya nakalagay. So meron siya nakalagay na sleep breeze, second fresh cool wind, and this three strong wind. And then number three is the USB plug-in in computer. So pwede mo siya i-charge doon sa computer, notebook, mobile power, or mobile adapter to the fan and input current. So, okay. Number four, use brushless motor. Low inference, smooth running, long life, safer, more stable, more muted. Number five, is it using international standard? Lithium battery, quick charge, with use of charging, energy saving, and electricity saving. They have parameters. They have name. Name niya is USB desktop loop fan. Material niya is it ABSP or PP electronic component. And then the battery niya is Lion 18650-3.7V. And then related current, related voltage. So warning, diyan nakalagay din yung warning niya. Before the first use, please fully charge. So kailangan pala natin siya i-charge bago natin siya gagamitin. So let's see if how many long. When it is not used, it must be recharged within 3 months of storage. It is not recommended to use the product while charging. So, pag na-i-charge na dapat naka-charge lang. So, hindi natin siya pwede gagamitin. Okay? So, recommended to use first year with speed while charging. It is recommended to use 2E adapter for charging. Oh, it's adapter. I hope I have a adapter. No? Excuse me. So, now let's check this is. Chan! Wow. So, folding nga siya, guys. It should lift up like this. Oh. Oh, like that. Hindi ganito. What? Ganito pala siya. And then, pwede mo ba siya yan lang. Kala ko, I thought this one is long. So, too small, right? Oh, yeah. Oh, that's only. So, yeah, it's very unique. So, pwede mo siya dito ilagay yung phone. So, habang nagpapahangin ka, tapos manood ka, so dyan mo na lang ilagay yung phone mo. Parang ganito siya yata. Yan. So, stand phone. So, ganyan nga. Stand phone nga siya, guys. No? So, kailangan lang yan. So, hindi siya mahuhulog kasi meron na siyang ito. Yan. So, tapos dyan mo ilagay yung phone mo. Ganyan. Tapos nanonood ka habang nagpapahangin. Yan. Next is, saan ba ito yun? Ito yung niya, dito na side. Kita ba? So, ito yung, power. Turn and off. Then, you have 1, 2, 3. Yan. Let's check it. Yeah. See? It's on. I put in number 2. Wow. This is, yeah. See? So, ilong press lang natin to guys. To. Yan, is mag-uuna po siya. Yan. Kita nyo ba yung yan? Yan. Merong blue na so yan po yun. Tap, number 2. And then, kailangan natin siyang off. So, na-off na siya. Yan. Ngayon, here we go. So, dito pala yung side niya is, yan, adapter. So, dito mo siya i-charge. So, ito po yung charge, ay yung ano niya. Tawag ito. This is, it's type C. Type C. Yung charger niya, type C. So, ganito yata. Oh, I think this is wrong. How can do this? This is wrong. This is not type C, you know? Yeah, this is not type C. Oh. Yeah. Yeah, something nag-stuck sa loob. Kaya hindi napasok yung charging ko. It's okay. Yeah, type C nga pala siya. Sorry. Yan. Let's charge muna. No, diba? Tapos dito naman sa ano niya. This is this. So, I think yan lang po siya, guys. Okay, yeah, that's enough. So, ganyan na lang po siya. Okay, so kailangan mo lang siya i-adjust. And then, pag gusto mo na siyang i-keep, yan, i-fold lang po natin siya patalikod. Ganon. Tapos, kumbaga pangalawa mo siya, tapos pahiga dito na side. Yan. Ganon. Ganyan lang kasimple. Tapos, pwede mo na siya madadala kasi ganito na lang gawin natin. O, diba? So, that's good. It's very nice. So, very affordable. Actually, nag-sale po siya ngayon sa Shopee. It's only 119. Yeah, it's very cheap. So, ano pa yung hinintay ninyo? Kung gusto nyo po at interested po kayo, research nyo lang po sa Shopee yung nakalagay na folding storage electric fan. So, yeah. Check nyo lang po, guys. So, hurry up kasi mauubusan na. Hindi nyo na po siya maano. It's very nice. Cute. Yeah. Pwede mo siya dadalhin kahit saan. Tapos hindi ka marahirapan. And like sa, yan, ganyan. Tapos pa ganyan. Yan. O, diba? It's very nice. Yan. So, I hope nag-enjoy po kayo, guys. So, dito na lang po tayo. See you next my another unboxing I have coming. So, please watch and subscribe my channel. Thank you again. This is Veronica G Vlog. See you at my next vlog. Bye-bye!